What's up everybody, welcome to our next video on our channel Gearbox TV, and today we're gonna show you my BMW.
Pedal to the floor and listen to this.
So what's up again? As you can see, this is my BMW. I love this car. This is my everything, and unfortunately it's not running so well, and today we're gonna try and fix that with you guys. And for that, first let me show you what the problem is. So when we hook up the hood, I mean, you can see here that there is some parts missing, like the engine cover is missing, and we have over 6 I think they are called ignition coils, Zündspule in German, but should be ignition coils, and we have a problem with that. I already changed the spark plugs, but still nothing. And let me show you what's wrong with it. Let me start it, and then you can see that I mean, you can see it's I mean, you can hear it. I don't know if you can hear it over the camera, but you can see that it's not idling well when I like step on it, and it's a fault that comes and goes all the time. So right now it's somehow running well. When we want to show it on the video, it's running well, but after some time it gets like a check engine light and stuff. So let's wait for that. It's actually running. Well, the car was sitting. I was on holiday for a month and the car was sitting, and now somehow it's running. Maybe it was the spark plugs after all and it just needed a little bit of running, huh? Let me show you the spark plugs. I mean, look at that. Look at that, they're like all burned and all gone. Like literally all of them. You can see they're like all black, right? And even here, they're like all gone. But the car is running well. That's very weird. Let's do a test drive. What's up everybody? Now we are on the test drive, and as you can see, my BMW is driving very good and very fine. Everything is running. I mean, listen to that noise. Ooh, okay, we almost got some pedestrians, but now we have to find a spot where we can exhale to the max. And usually I always pick, like, it's like an abandoned road, and we usually pick that road, but it will take a while until we go there. Maybe I can tell you guys a story or something. I'm just joking. So far what we did on the BMW was just we fixed it so it runs again, which is really good. We will show you in the upcoming videos the Carly, I think it's called Carly adapter. It's like a tool. Wait, I have it. Oh, it was back here. Okay, it's gone. But it's like a tool. You can put it in the OBD spot in the car, and then you can go through all the, like, you basically go through the brain of the car. I think it's called EDCs, but whatever. It's like the brain, like the computer of the car. And then, for example, if the fault haven't gone away, like on its own technically, by just changing the spark plugs, you can put in that Carly adapter and it tells you exactly what kind of faults and codes it has. And through those codes and faults, you can technically find out what's wrong with your car. So we will show that, and since our channel is not a big channel, so Carly doesn't support us, it's gonna be like a really true review without a 20% code you get when you type in Gearbox TFL 20 or whatever when you order it. So it will be an honest review, and I will try and use it before the video and test it, and then make an honest review about it, because I don't give a shit about Carly. And I mean, if they sponsor us, obviously they can, but they won't, because our channel is too small for that. So I don't give a shit, and we will test it, and we will show you truly how that thing works. Because before I bought it, every single YouTuber is making a review about it, and every time in the end I always think like, oh, it's a small channel, they probably make an honest review, but in the end they're always like, oh, type in blah 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 20 to get 20% off, and I'm like, oh, I'm not allowed to say the F word, I guess, on YouTube, but you know. And then I always was like, okay, if you start YouTube, you're gonna do like try honest reviews until the money comes in, obviously, but until then you can watch the channel and always know that I'm doing honest reviews about things like that. So now we are on our road. Show the road, please. This is like a, oh, I love this road. It's not abandoned, obviously, but it's very empty, and you can kinda max it out. We had a small mic issue, but I think we fixed it now. But unfortunately, we passed our abandoned road and we have to drive back to it. I can't see shit. Okay, then and then hit this thing and then see. So now I'm in third gear, and we're gonna rev it up to just show you guys that everything is fine, thank God, with our car. And now pedal to the floor and listen to this. Oh, this is so good. I just love this. Okay, that's enough. We don't want to break the law. So as you can see, everything works on our car. Just a simple fix of the spark plugs fixed our problem, and the engine is running fine, it revs fine, everything is fine. Good old BMW engine, straight 6. And yeah, this is it for now, and hopefully we won't have any mic issues in the future, and we can always show you the nice car. And for the future, it's planned, this is like a base model. We will I mean, you saw the steering wheel and everything. We will hopefully in the future change that, make an M out of it. It's called M-Paket in German. I don't know, I think in the US and stuff they only say like it's an M, like from outside and inside. Obviously, like I said, maybe the Carly adapter, or I will show you how to paint your rims for like cheap, because this is still a DIY channel. And we fixed the engine for like and that's it. I fixed it myself. Totally possible to fix it yourself. Just go on YouTube and look at those. There are like a million videos about how to change spark plugs on cars like these, and it's basically always the same. You take the ignition coil out, put the old spark plug out, put the new one in, and that's it. And then you have like an easy and cheap fix, and you can enjoy awesome cars like this for like forever. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. See you next time, and bye.